You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Trying to find an Xbox Series X? Game currently have pre-orders of the console in a range of bundle deals, making this a good chance to pick up a Series X and whatever games, accessories or merchandise you plan to buy in one fell swoop. The Xbox Series X is also available to purchase via Xbox All Access, which hasn't been available since the chaotic initial per-order period in September. All Access bundles the console with 24 months of Game Pass Ultimate for £28.99 a month, making it slightly cheaper than buying both upfront. Most bundles seem to be shipping by December 24th when you choose priority insured delivery, so you won't have a game's console immediately, but at least you won't have to worry about trying to find one in the run-up to Christmas. You'll likely need to go through a short queue to place an order. For us, it was around 12 minutes, but I've seen reports of a 4-minute queue or no queue at all. At the time of writing, the cheapest price we've seen the Xbox Series X is in a bundle with a t-shirt and hat for £480. You can also pick up the Series X with the clothing and 3 months of Game Pass Ultimate for £500. However, if these two options are exhausted, there are many more bundles available here. While the Xbox Series S has been relatively easy to get a hold of, it's worth mentioning that Game also have stock of the cheaper Xbox console, both by itself and available in a range of bundles. For example, you can get the Series S with a hat and t-shirt for £280. Assuming that all of the Series X stock at Game sells through, the next opportunity we expect to order the Series X will be at Curry's PC World, who emailed customers to say that they'll offer Series X and Series S sales at 1 p.m. later today, November 24th. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.